How's it going? I'm Evantz Saint-Gerard, the host and also realtor. And I want to say thank you guys for attending these events. The reason why I put these things together is to help facilitate working with our clients, whether it's my clients or your clients. I want to be an asset to everybody who I'm working with. So as a realtor, who I'm looking to work with are people who need to sell a home, whether they're downsizing, upsizing, a financial situation, or they inherited a property, or they're going through a divorce, whatever the case may be, why they need to sell a home. That's what I'm here for, to help them with that. I also want to be an asset to anybody when it comes to anything real estate related. Just want to be known as the person that you reach out to. You have questions, I'm here to answer them for you. And thank you again for being part of us.
My name is Deborah Khan. I'm the owner of a Tru Blue Home Service handyman franchise. I provide services for realtors, home inspectors, general contractors, property managers, active families, seniors. We help with those small but important jobs. Please give us a call at 718-838.
My name is Aga. I work with Restoration Masters. We work with homeowners and business owners, helping them restore their property. We work with fire, water, and now especially storm, burst pipes, any kind of damage. We take it from start to finish. If you have anything that you want to discuss, give us a call at 516-406-9219.
Hello, everybody. My name is Max Baratov. I do retail insurance. I work for the company called Empire Insurance. We write workers' compensation, business owner policy. We do daycare, salons, like estheticians, and we're happy to help with everybody. So please call us. 929-575-9775 is my phone number. So we're happy to help you. Thanks so much.